Electrical usage is hard to see, but not with the Smart Energy Explorer app. This app uses GreenButton data generated by your smart meter and stored in your service provider cloud. As a customer, you can download that data, and it can provide useful visualizations of your electrical usage. For example, I know that in my house, there's roughly 28,000 kilowatt hours per year, and roughly 2,400 kilowatt hours per day. It's great to see the aggregate total, but of course, the aggregate isn't very useful in a lot of ways. What's more useful is actually being able to baseline various specific behaviors and hone in on specific patterns. As an example here, there's a baseline in June, which looks like pretty typical summer behavior from afar. But if we look more closely with the Smart Energy Explorer, we can see baselines, take averages, see the min and max. So at an average at-home summer day, we can take the averages and we can save that as a baseline. On this average at-home summer day, you can see that I took a shower first thing in the morning around 5 a.m. And then as the day heated up, the AC kicked on, and as the day cooled down, well, I was running the dishes, of course, after dinner. And then you see how it tapers off in the evening. What's also interesting and useful is when you take a baseline when the house is unoccupied. So here, we'll look at 4 days. The first day was May 1st. I took my shower in the morning, and then I left for a vacation for a couple days. So all through Saturday and Sunday, which is the green and the blue, there isn't much activity at all, which is what you'd want to see. And then on Monday, which is yellow, I returned, and I started using my appliances again. Now, instead of just taking the averages, you can also eliminate the outliers, take those middle values, and produce a nice low baseline that reaches only about a kilowatt per hour. And that shows pretty typical flatline behavior, and you can save that as a baseline. Now we can also compare away baselines in the summer. Go back to the summer, just pick a day in the middle, and you can compare it to typical summer behavior. You see them all together at once. So purple, the 27th of June, you can see that something was way off. Well, I guess I should say something was way on, and exceeding the typical baseline behavior. These sort of comparisons allow you to investigate anomalies in performance and also ensure that usage is what you want it to be. Thanks to the Smart Energy Explorer, you can quickly and easily understand your usage patterns and make smart, efficient decisions.